Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 105 Rosewell Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
This stunning ranch has been fully renovated and includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Let's go check it out.
Looking for turnkey, move-in ready? This is the one. With an updated eating kitchen which features granite countertops, matching appliances, and recessed lighting.
This property has 3 generously sized bedrooms, all on the main level with an updated full bathroom.
Don't forget about the oversized, unfinished basement to potentially double your living space. With tall ceilings, insulated walls, finished full bath, and laundry room.
French doors lead you outside to the large fenced-in yard, which completes this truly turnkey property. You've got to come take a look at this one.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 105 Rosewell Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us on the number below.
Here at the Weingarten Team, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
You know?
Yeah, this looks good. This is really great.
I got a single hair like dancing up here.
It's dancing.
Or pointing.
Can you fix it? It's so stupid. Screwed up. I memorized that anyways.
Insulated walls, a finished full bath and laundry room.
You can.
Ta-da!